So guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be doing an easy 3D drawing. So stay tuned with us for further details in the video, and remember to like, comment and subscribe on our channel, and click on the bell icon too when subscribing. Alright, so for 3D drawing you have to draw 3 lines like these, and draw a circle, and then from the given circle draw all the drawing just like me. And now do the shading in the drawn drawing for 3D effect like me. These dark to light drawings like this only, and draw the shadow for also this. And now for this shading effect you will be needing an earbud, and will merge with it like this, dark to light, dark to light. As you can see, we have the shading effect here, all this. So as you can see now, our 3D drawing is ready. Hope you like it, and if you like our videos, share our channel with your family and friends, and like, comment and subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon too when subscribing. Happy creating!